Hello, my name is Emanuel Sánchez Alejandres. I am a student at the University Politécnica de Lázaro Cárdenas, and this is my English project. Today, I will talk about what I did last weekend. I woke up early to see if I had homework, and uniquely, yes, I had homework, and especially simulation, logistics, and English. I started doing a little so that I did not accumulate much. Actually, it did not take long to do it because it was simple. My younger brother was playing and could not let me focus because he had the TV on full blast, and I told him to lower the volume a little. After doing a little homework, I took a shower. I got dressed. I got everything ready, fits my suitcase, and I also took some food and put in my backpack for the road. Check oil, motorcycle, fill the tank with gasoline. I put some air in the tires, and finally look for the sunglasses. Arriving at my grandparents' house, we greeted each other since it had not seen them for a long time, and then I went to my uncle's and cousin's house. Later, my uncle invited us the river to fish to cook. Use about half of our the head to time the river. It took many years, but in the end, if take fish, we had fish and some river shrimp. We got back to the house. We arrived somewhat tired and quite hungry. Arriving, we cooked the fish. Some burned use our fish because we forgot in the pot.